Hi guys, last Black Friday I did a big order for me for my Christmas present to Brad Greenhouse. So I got new plants, they delivered the box and we will see the unboxing. You will see how shipping live plants in Canada in winter should be done, because the packaging is really great when Brad ship his plants. And we will see the steps I will do when I unbox the plants, what I do the first week, what I do the second week, and you will have updates. You will see after 2 weeks how the plants are doing. So, coming up. Okay, so here is the box. Remember, we are Black Friday, so it's winter here in Canada and especially in Manitoba, even if this year it's really not a cold year compared to previous years, which is really surprising. Okay, so we have the order, and here is the packaging we get when it's winter. So really well protected against cold, I mean. Okay, so really nice packaging. We'll just open it. Really well protected, as always. Okay, we have one plant here, another one, another one. Okay, and that's the heat pack. It's still warm after 4 days, so that's really, really nice. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that. We have a nice picture and for sure a nice plant. So this one is I'm trying to not destroy everything. So everything is stapled properly, so nothing really moves. That's really a great packaging. Okay, so here, I don't know if you see that. That's a nice one. We have some stripe. I will show you that. And this is Spatulata spectabilis. So we have one picture that is black, so that's not a good one, but the next one is kind of a good, and definitely the growing point is healthy. So Spatulata and spectabilis. Okay, this one we have two plants. We have the Cibonensis amara and the Veitchii platygyla. So that's gonna be nice plants for sure. Okay, this one is the easiest one, I believe. Everything is stapled so nicely that it's kind of hard to take out. So this is the Cibulensis amara, really large. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that. That's really thick leaves. Interesting. And for sure, the small pitcher, I can already see some teeth, so that's really nice. I will I will put directly the name tag with it, and this other one, oh, this one will be less easy. Again, really properly attached. So here, nice VGI. I don't know if you can see that, but definitely interesting. Really nice picture. Last time, some people advised me to put water on the picture just to make sure it don't dry out directly, because it's been 4 days in the dark and etc. So yeah, definitely I will do that. The leaves are different. I don't know if you can see that, but they are kind of thick for sure, but also the texture, it's matte, not shiny, and I don't know, I will see how it grows home. And the last, oh, that's definitely a bigger one. So the first one was kind of a medium size, the two other was small, but this one looks really, really nice. Like, you can see the leaves here, really nice. Look at that. Nice stripe. It took a hit, for sure, because of the shipping. Totally normal. But yeah, a leaf is broken. But beside that, looks really nice. Spectabilis veitchii. So this one is promising too. Good leaves. The leaves are really thick again, so really a healthy plant. Yeah, really, really nice. So I will repot this baby, and then I will put them for something like a week in under growing light mini greenhouse, just for them to recover, and then they will be moved to the windowsill. Okay, it's been a week since they are on my basement in this mini greenhouse, so it's time to put them on the windowsill now. And here is the new home of the plants. So, just quick tips when you have hybrids. Put the one that like it cold at night the closest possible to the windows, obviously. That's going to be the cold spot during the night. And then every hybrid. So again, you do the research before, and then you put them at the most logic place, depending on their needs. And I will do an update, and that's going to be the last part of the video. Okay guys, the plants have been in the windowsill for a week. So now we will have a look to see how they manage this big change in condition. So the first one, Veitchii platychyla, the lid first is closing, and even this one is turning black. So the plant is shutting down pitcher because something happened. Obviously the plant will focus on roots now. But we can see here there is a brand new leaves, really healthy and hairy because of VGI, and even here. So the pitcher is doing fine. It's small but healthy. The next one, I was a little bit concerned about this one because the first tendril was dead and no pitcher. But the leaves are so hard. I don't know if you can hear that. So that's really healthy leaves. I can see that the tendril here is also pretty good. Hairy, again, the VGI. But I do believe this plant will be just fine in a few months. The next one, this is the old pitcher that we had. Again, the lead was already dying when I got it, so it will just continue to dry slowly, but the plant is just fine. Here we can see there is a brand new one, a new tendril, pitcher in production, and even the leaf. If you check the leaf, the new one, you have some light here, you see the new one is really shiny, where the old one was matte. Before it had not sunburn, but still a lot of light here, this reddish color. Even the new one, kind of sensitive to light. So I expect this one being just fine on a windowsill. And again, new pitcher here. We have another one that will open quite soon. And the last one that did a great new leaf and really healthy and tendril and everything. So this one really like it, and that's the most interesting one compared to what I have, because again I have a lot of VGI parents, hybrids, but this one is an Amata hybrid, and that's the first one I have. So it's Sibuyanensis by Amata. So that's gonna be tubby for sure and toothy. So I'm really happy with that. And again, the plant's really healthy, really compact. I don't know if you can see the space between the leaves compared to this one, for example. You can see that there is a lot of space between. But this other one is really compact. That's incredible. And that's it for today, guys. The plants are doing just fine. Now it's just waiting. Obviously, all these ones are the new ones, so I expect them to be slower. But again, this one really like cold climate. So here in Canada, during winter, the windowsill can be chilly at night. We had as low as 14 degrees Celsius. During one night, most of the time it's 16. It's cold, but not that cold. But for island hybrids, it could work. So that's the old plan. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep in mind that when you ship live plants during winter, you should always check the weather before. And yes, having some insulation is better. Having a heat pack is even better, because you really want the plant to stay as warm as possible during these few days. And again, fast shipping, express shipping here in Canada, that's always the best. You maximize your chance to really have live plants when they arrive. So that's it for today. Until next time, happy growing.